Hello and welcome. My name is Simona Marince and I am the head of Intelligent Enterprise for SME and part of SME Product Management Team course. This course aims to introduce you how to use machine learning cockpit for sub-business by design by creating a scenario, training a model and creating and using a prediction in a business scenario. The content here is aimed both for business user and citizen developer or partner who plan to use predictive analytics and machine learning to augment sub-business by design. The course will be presented by my colleagues Dalibor Gniz, Sara Kazmi, and Kopal Johari, who are content experts in sub-business by design and SAP HANA Analytics Library. This nutshell course will be open for 5 weeks. You get access to the entire learning content and you can do the course assignment anytime during this period. The learning effort is for 5 hours in total. Each unit of this course is accompanied by a hands-on exercise which is optional, however, is highly recommended for your full understanding of the content. For this, you will be offered with multiple demo systems in the preparation week for which you can choose one which will be available for you for the entire duration of this course. In case you have questions or you want to share your thoughts, we invite you to join our discussion forum and meet other students, sub-experts, and the instructor. If you earn the required points in the course assignment, you will earn a course certificate, which is called Record of Achievement and a digital badge that you can share across your social network. Enroll now. We look forward to meet you there. Goodbye.